These are the books which is available for nursery. Yellow color is a nursery color. Level 1, through that level 1 books, the child will learn the number of words. First time how the number, and then counting, matching, more or less. So comparison. So his mathematical skill, his logical skill will be developed through this book. Very important part is kids dictionary, where we will be telling children what is happening around, all those vocabularies, those words like healthy food, home appliances, vegetables, insects. So a lot of things which are around. Earlier he used to know in his own local language. Now through this kids dictionary he will be learning those surrounding words in English. So this is very effective book. This is a very important book. Welcome to the world of calligraphy. First time child started writing. So to develop a step-by-step writing skill, straight line, horizontal line, curved line, like that, tracing, shapes, through different way, the child is basically learning calligraphic skill. Calligraphic skill means writing skill. So nursery is the time where we ensure that child should have wonderful writing skill, creative calligraphy. Second is Me and My World. So Me and My World, this book is very important to know what is happening around about the society at nursery level. So it is little more advanced, transportation, animal kingdom, and more deeper understanding will be there. This is a colorful logic, which is very unique book. In very few school they have, where through shapes, coloring, sizes, we're trying to develop the child's logical skill. So his logical, pictorial logical skill will be developed, and it is very, very useful for the child. We have a unique concept here. Whenever the chapters is over, we have pictorial stories are mentioned. So through these pictorial stories, the child will basically learn a lot of new things with action and drama. Of course, after that, one very important part, as I said, rhyme book. Through rhymes, action, drama, music, yes, the child will learn a lot of things. With our Japanese music, he will develop his memory skills also. The phonics, we don't teach ABCD. Basically, we teach those alphabets with his phonetic sound. Because of that, the child will never have confusion whether it's a E or its sound is A. So when he initially only learned the phonetics, it is easy for him to quickly read. So this book is like this. The book called Level 2. Level 2, again we encourage the child should have wonderful creativity and art, craft, drama. He should observe it, he should color it. Through that his creativity, logical skills will be developed. This is Hindi or Swarmala. Yes, they are introducing first time Hindi in their life. Okay, so Swarmala, all A, E, U, A, I, O, Aha. So till there, all the Swarmala will be mentioned, and it will be practice. It will be written practice, pictorial presentations, stories, some rhymes, poems will be given, so that child will learn in a much faster way with the help of stories and actions. We encourage the capital and small alphabet, basically a writing notebook. For small alphabets also similar pattern. We have small alphabets, 2 pages are sorted, and last page is given for a freehand writing. So this will help them to develop a wonderful calligraphy. The revision book is again everything. Like as we mentioned, through revision book we are having languages, mathematics and sensorial. Sensorial means again through your senses, through your logic, how we should solve the problem. So all these practice will be given here. World Around Me is the book for EVS. It's a very colorful book about your colorful surroundings. So through that, again, we are giving the same mix of blend of knowledge, where the first about his body, surrounding, what is happening, culture, things are around. then he has a good habits and all those parts. Little bit of science, then science part will be there, animal kingdom things will be there about science part, and the last is the social reformers, famous kingdoms, neighborhood. So through this the child will be learning even his historical background also. So this particular book is a complete blend of science, affair, old GK, and plus our history. This particular book, let's read together. This book is a very unique, and this book is basically taking the child to the next level of his writing. In nursery, he has already read phonics. He understands phonics. Now this is the time he can start reading. So 2-letter, 3-letter words, their practice, okay, their games, through puzzles, the child will be learning all this thing in a beautiful manner. Analytical brain, they are very focused and committed towards developing a child logical brain, a critical reasoning, so that he can be a problem solver, he can be a future leader. So for that we have this jumbo book. Little bit through this jumbo book we are basically ensuring the child is learning logical reasoning, little bit of geometry, with the people on the earth, time and space, all these things will be there. Okay, through that different logic, pictorial logic, connections, connecting people, okay, then logic behind different pictures will be given, and through all this thing, okay, the child will be learning more. So this is a unique book to develop a logical skill through fun and puzzles. Mathematical logic, very important. LKG is your addition, subtraction, your counting numbers. We are making sure the child should learn oral mathematics. So through this colorful book, he is learning mathematics. We are the first preschool in India to launch unique story books, which are like a Champak, Twinkle kind of storytelling books. Through stories, child will develop reading habits, not just stories but the science, innovations. Being good, one unique part is there in this book, which develop the good character of the child, and eventually a lot of puzzles and games. So this will be a very unique magazine. It will be delivered to every branch. Students can individually also take the subscription at home through the respective branches.